Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing exactly how you can get a free Victoria's Secret promo code that saved me a ton of money on my Victoria's Secret order. If you're looking for the latest Victoria's Secret coupons, discounts, and deals, you're in the right place. Grab your phone, whether you're on iPhone or Android, it works the same. Head to the website I've linked in the pinned comment below. In the search bar, type Victoria's Secret. Click on the result, scroll down, and you'll see all the available promo codes. Hit the Show Coupon button to reveal your personal code. These Victoria's Secret promo codes are limited, so make sure you unlock your code quickly before someone else uses it. That way, you'll secure your own exclusive discount. If you want step-by-step instructions, check out the pinned comment below. I've explained exactly where to find your Victoria's Secret promo code. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more money-saving hacks, and share it with friends who shop at Victoria's Secret.